All right, let's do it. We got released. I need to start with the favicon stuff. And I'm going to check out my GitLab dashboard. Okay. So this stuff, I don't think I have to do any of this before. Well, I could do that one. First is going to be update favicon and logo. Oh, I need to post this in the other thing too. Hang on 1 second. Twitter. What the hell? Okay. Update favicon and logo. Start on that right now. So I'll post this here. Okay, 56. Bad start. Check out new branch feature issue 56. Favicon we're gonna put into here, or actually put. Yeah, we'll just replace this one. Gotta go find it first. Where would it be? Released icon. Need to convert it to a PNG though. And resize it down to 64 pixels. And then export. Move this so you guys can see it. Export as PNG back to development. Released public. Okay, so that should be back. Okay, so we have a new favicon, that's good, and then the new logo. We have, if I open this up again. I have this for the logo, but I need a PNG with no background. So basically just want this. Export as PNG. Actually, as an SVG would be nice. Yeah. And then I want one white though. Yo, what's up, Austin? How's it going, man? Hey. I replied to you in chat just in case. I gotta move the chat so I can see it better. Need like a pop out or something here. Hang on. Pop out chat. Did you find me from Twitter? I don't have enough room to put it on screen because I'm at 720p, so I'll just do this and hopefully I see them. Okay, so we got the white one exported. Yep. Whoa. Oh, Maker's Kitchen, awesome. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, SVG will throw in the... is audio okay everywhere? I always tweak it before streams. Good, and then in the header, we had, where's my syntax? There. Released. So this can be image, source, public, no, not public, SVG, released logo, SVG. Alt released. And then we'll start a yarn run watch. If I'm not using those, then they can be deleted. And store, then I don't need either. Recollect. It's been a while since I worked on this project, actually. Awesome, thanks, man. Holy. Why was that so? Oh, I guess I need to set a width on it, hey, or a height. Height 40. Seems good. And then we'll just center it after. I'm gonna move this anyways. I don't like that being up there. Maybe I just won't put a version anywhere. I'll leave that out for now. So I'll do style. Height is 40 pixels. No, 50 we went with. And then it's got like an extra. Oh, I didn't clean up the edges. That's why. Okay, so move this for now. Why is a group so big? Good. Over here, good. Oh. It's gonna be like that. Okay. Let's try this again. So we'll take the slice. I'll export that stuff as an SVG. And then we'll move it. Let's copy it and place it in here. SVG. Public. No. Public SVG here. Okay. That was better. It's just now too tall. 30 pixels. 24. I think 24 looks pretty good. Still centered. It's still. Why is there a buffer? Oh, I wonder if I should just drop the H1. Okay, I'm gonna move my dock over here. So let's drop the H1, just do an image, and then drop this down to 24. Don't need this anymore. There we go. Not too bad, I think it looks pretty good. Feels a little tight still, but 4. Oh, not 24. 4. Yeah, I'll go with 4. Okay. So on the header, we'll increase the padding, and then that should be it. And for now, that's the logo. Got the favicon. I need to do this page, and I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Wonder if I should do that later or do it now. So this is the dashboard I'm going to clean up too. Actually, maybe I'll do that first. So let's commit this and say feature, introduce new favicon, and new logo file. Push. Yep. I'll do a merge request. Cool. Let's say this closes issue 56. And that's it. So then when that finishes, we'll merge it and we'll move on to the next thing, which is going to be, what are we going to do next? So I want to have the list of repositories, just probably the name and the logo on this page. So I don't have to click this and then click here. I should just be able to click it from this page. So this will get like 50-50 maybe, or 2/3 split, I'm not sure. But, so I'll say, I'll make a new ticket. Add repo list to the dashboard. 57. Okay, so first thing is going to be the dashboard. So right now it just has one panel, all that stuff baked into one panel. So I'll do fragment with another panel, and in this panel do I have body? Yep. So I'll say repositories, panel body, for now we'll just like fake it out and say put the list here, and then we'll take the existing panel and put it in the fragment. And that should be a start. Okay, 2 panels. Why aren't they? I don't think in this app I have 2 panels beside each other yet. No, okay, so this is gonna become a flexbox. That can be flex 1. I'm gonna collapse it, it's too big. This can become flex 1. This is a div now. And then, yeah, of course we need margin and shit. Okay. MX2, MX2. Okay. I don't know if the repositories need to be this big, but this isn't too bad. It's gonna get a little tight with longer names. If I increase this name, testing app. And like it pushed the version number out. Oh wait, where did the version number go? That was weird. There. So the version's still there. It just kind of like wrapped. We could probably just ellipse that so it doesn't wrap. That can be done later. The other thing is really all I need is this text. So if I went like, let's see, Tailwind. Do they still have the old docs up? Yeah, perfect. Grid. 1/3 on this. This can just get margin left, and this can get margin right. Yeah, I think that should be good. And then it's just boom, 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 boom. Just a nice list here. So then on the repositories page, I want to pull use repositories. Bring this in. And then ideally, I want each panel to put its own loading text now. So in here, if there's no releases loaded, we will do this, otherwise this. Boom. I don't think I can put that in parentheses though. Shit. This needs to go away. This needs to go away. Okay, I like that one. And then we're gonna copy this, so if, easy enough. And here, if our repositories are loaded, actually, that might make more sense. If they're loaded, then do this, otherwise do loading repositories. Repos here. Thanks, man. I'm not a super fan of it. To me, it's like super basic, and it feels bootstrappy. But like, I think part of the reason for that is because I've looked at it for so long. Like, it is pretty simple, but there's just not that much to it, you know. So I'm gonna switch this up. If they're loaded and recent releases dot length, or do they have a different? No, it has a different if statement. So if they're loaded, this, else that. Okay. Cool. So they fill in nicely, and then all I have to do is loop the repos like I did on this page. Pretty simple. Yep. Repositories dot map repo. I don't know what I called them. Oh, I already copied that code too. Okay. Repositories is here. That's good. I can get collapse now. Oh, wait, what? If they're loaded, then map them, fix the indenting, and then for each one, we don't need the team name. And we I want them to be the list group looking things like this, which so the whole thing's a nav link. Okay. So the whole thing's a nav link, which is this. And then in that nav link, we're gonna have this content. That, delete all this. Make sure everything's imported here. A link to repositories / repository ID. That can stay the same for now. This is all good. And what's wrong? I 1, 2, 3. I'm missing one. Oh. Too many? Yellow matches to yellow. Then we have a blue. Then we have a pink. And we have a key, which is the repository ID. Whoa. Okay. There we go. I don't mind that it breaks. I don't think... Yeah, this is way nicer. Much quicker. It should even be swapped, I think. Let's put the small panel on the left. Oh, one too many divs. Here. Boom, boom, boom. There. All right. Fix the margins. Should just use x-axis. There we go. Cool. And then if we have no repositories, we should list the button to add one. Honestly, if I do this, I could just get rid of this page. Although I guess it doesn't show the team. Whatever. I'll leave it for now. There's no harm. I already have it in there. So if they're loaded, and repositories length, and we have some. Then after here, this just becomes this, and we say no repositories created yet. Add one now. I'll put the link. Nav link. And we make it exciting with a exclamation mark. And then it's gonna go to, where does it go to? Oh, it's a modal. Ooh. Shit. Okay, we won't do this for now. We'll just link to this page, repositories. To repositories. No repositories created yet. Blah, 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 blah. Go to the repositories page. Repositories page to create, to add one. And then I can test this just by returning repositories equals empty array. I don't know if that'll work. I might complain. Yep, that's good. And then we'll just put a line break in there, and that'll be it. Oh, wrong spot. Paragraph tags better. Okay. And then we just need our class to make it look like a link. Do I use a link class in this stuff? Yep. And some margin. All right, go to the repositories page to add one. Cool. Easy peasy. So that'll be it. Feature list repositories on the dashboard. Austin, have you checked out release before? Do you know what it is? Consider merge request. Good. Close. Number 57. I hope you do. You can, I don't know if you're like against email lists or whatever, but on the actual homepage, there's email sign up. I'm thinking it should be in like another week or two, and then I'll launch, I think. Depends how much I get done this week. Okay. What's next? Back to master. Pull. I think it's just my Teams integration now with remote auth. Where's this logo? Oh, I gotta fix that too. There is an app.blade, or what is it? App. SPA? Yeah. This has the original header in it. Style here will be in string. What's wrong with my quotes? What am I doing wrong here? Okay, that should be fine. I don't know why that's like that. I'm gonna have to, I'll just push this up there. Fix header styles on PHP rendered page layout. Push, let's check on this. All right. Next. What? It's just sitting there paused. That's weird. Okay, this is the team integration stuff. It's gonna take me a while. Set up team subscription information with the remote auth. 58. So what I need to do is, when we get the request from the server, it has a subscription in here. I'll move this to the side again. And then basically we need to display that information. So tell them what plan they're on, when it was created, or more so when it expires, which is this date. So like this one's technically expired, but my webhooks aren't set up. And how many users are built for, okay. And ideally I don't want to make another page, I just want to do it inline here. So what should this look like? I could have a panel per team. And then I could move this to be All right, cool, man. Thanks. I appreciate it. Have fun on your project. I need a designer. That's what I need. I need someone to help me with design. Let's see if anyone was willing to in here. Okay, so if I do that, then I just need to find a way to add a new team. It could be something as like, click this and it opens. Ugh. I think a panel per team works. Let's start with a panel per team. See what happens. Teams. And then I'll make a new component for team panel. React. And we'll just do, am I using named exports or what? Team, and that's it. Div panel, div panel header, and the panel body. And why is this? There we go. So in the header, we'll have the team.name. Actually, it'll be application member. Put inside can be like, why am I on 4 spaces here? Team subscription. It's really just the subscription information I care about. And then over here, we'll need to do like a flex thing. Unless panel headers are already flex. Yep, okay. We'll do flex 1. And then over here will be a link to remote auth. app.remoteauth.com/something something something. View in remote auth. And then when we loop the teams, basically do it here. If we have teams, we'll do a panel. And then we'll just render a team panel, application member, the application member in there. That's it. Oh, and the key can be this. this. Okay. Import the team panel. Cool. Oh, that link needs a class on it. Link, and it's going to be target blank. Do I have some sort of like setting for the remote auth URL? SPA controller in dashboard controller. Yeah, remote auth URL. Okay, cool. Which comes up as what? Release settings. No slash. Okay. So that means we can do const remote auth link equals window dot remote auth URL dot release settings. Put this in one of these. And where are we going to go? We're going to go to the remote auth application member page. But you should only be able to go to this page if you have access to. So I shouldn't put the link there for everyone. And I only get back the permissions for release, so I don't know if you have permission to manage the team. Or do I? I think I do. Because here it checks. Teams controller. Good teams for user. Teams. I thought I checked the permission somewhere. Oh, I think, or maybe that's a bug and I need to check the permissions. That could be it. Okay, well, I don't know if they have permission, so what should I do? Teams, and then go to the team, and then go to app memberships. Here, I want to take them to this page. The team membership for that application. So this is a big ass URL. Teams. Team ID. So make another variable here called team. Blow it apart from the application member. So team.id, and then memberships and the application ID, or is it the application member? BF5. It's the application member, okay. Then memberships, then application member.id. Okay. I hate how it breaks that, like, come on, prettier. Oh. Rel equals no refer. And what? No opener. And then the link is gonna be this. All right, so we're here. View this in remote auth. Boom, team 2 released, perfect. View this in remote auth. Team ODogs released. Cool. Then if you don't have permission, remote auth will take care of that for you. For me, really. Maybe I could do the same thing where I put like the sidebar. It's like, how big does this gotta be? If I made this panel width 1/3. Oh no, width 1/3. Oh, it's a little tight, hey? I'll just do that for now though. So we'll do in the teams page, a div with flex again. And then a div right inside of it, which is gonna be flex 1. And then the panel should be beneath that, and it'll be width 1/3. These guys can go in the flex. Yep. And again, we need margin. Oh, I should fix that. That's linking to the wrong one. You can create teams from within. What is this? Why is it linking to the wrong remote auth? Window, release settings, remote auth URL. What? Why is it twice? Oh yeah, that's right, okay. I remember why. Here. That should be a blank too, hey? Okay. That's not too bad, register a new team. This is what, an H2 panel header. So we need to clean this up. Get H2 as well. Team 2, register new team, team ODogs. Cool. And then we just need like the subscription information. basically we just need this. Probably in like this format. This is how we did it before. Folks. Okay, so team panel. Pop this open, subscription. So product, and then so application member dot subscription dot plan dot product dot name. Application member dot subscription dot plan dot product dot name, and that's not always going to exist. Yeah. So we'll do up here subscription. And then basically take you to this page if you don't have a subscription. So do if subscription exists, then this, else div, or next paragraph tag. There is no subscription set up for team.name yet. Make that bold. Paragraph again, some margin. You can configure your subscription on the, what's it called? Manage subscription page in remote auth. And this will be another link. Basically to the same place, but I'm going to add oops. Subscription at the end there. Else, oh no, then if we do have a subscription, we'll throw our label in here. What's wrong? Fragment. Okay, there's no subscription set up for ODogs yet. You can configure your subscription on the manage subscription page in remote auth. And it tells us we need to set up our billing information. Okay, so that's perfect. Okay. And then what else? I should also put what you get if you're not on a subscription. So Teams that are not yet on a subscription are allowed to add one repository to their account. Okay. And then otherwise, we're gonna do premium plan. What else are we gonna put in here? Is panel body flex as well? Nope. I should just make this a component. Stats, subscription stats. Label is product. Key is here. Boom. And then do I have Lodash already? Yes. So in Lodash there is, I think it's just called get. You can use a path. Okay, so we'll do subscription stats.map stats or stat. That'll render this. And here we'll do, I think we can be assured we're given a subscription, so we'll do get and the object, which is a subscription, the stat.path default is, I don't know, null. And import get from Lodash.es. What's wrong? Key, I don't know. They're not called, oh, I call it key path. All right, so we'll get the premium plan, we'll get the plan, which is a plan name, and the current status, which I think we have to like capitalize or something. Subscription status, yeah, shit. Okay, so we'll change this. We'll do won't need that anymore. Let's do this. Value is subscription plan.name. Status is subscription status, and we'll use capitalize here. Stat.value. Gotta change that to be Stat.label. Okay, then what else can we put? Trial end date or ends at, but like current period ends. That'll be subscription dot ends at. We do any date stuff. Date functions format. Oh no. Invalid time value. Oh, you gotta give it an actual date. Yeah, I think you do. Okay. Have I done that before? Format. This is risky. Okay. And then panel body, we could just do like flex. Boom. And then like flex wrap. Flex. Oh, that's it. Flex wrap. Okay. Should have just tried it. How does it? When does it wrap though? There we go, okay. So by default, most of them will just be like this. Oh, no. Not like that, like this. Flex 1. And then if we need to, we'll just wrap it. Okay. Cool. And the wrap didn't work because everything's using Flex 1. Whatever. Good enough. Can't focus on the little things. Can't focus on the little things. Map. Team. What does this complain about? It does have a label. All right, so Teams is cleaned up now. This still feels messy, but what's the point of the add teams canceling? I think that was from when it was a modal. Okay. Okay, I think this is looking better. Kind of happy with this. So now with Team ODogs, if I'm going to subscribe to this, I'll go here, set up my billing information, input my fake credit card number, fake card, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, email, whatever, save. Then we go back to released, manage the subscription, go on the basic plan at yearly. Currently have 5 users, Team ODogs. Oh no, yeah, I'm charged $50 per group of 5 users. I have to change this. Team ODogs currently has 2 users with access to released. $50 a year. Okay, subscribe. Created successfully. Come back here. Refresh. We're not going to see it because it's cached. If we hit this, oh, there's no way to actually force that, is there? Well, 2 things would happen. The webhook will get fired, so release would get updated. But there should be a way for them to pull it. What if the webhook fails? Well, that's okay. For now, I'll rely on the webhook. And then for now we can do this. Okay, so we'll pretend the webhook worked. It comes back. We've got a subscription on the basic plan. Yearly active status, May 22nd, 2020. That's it. And then really the only thing I have to do is lock them down to not create new repositories unless they have the subscription. And uh-oh. Oh, I forgot to uncomment that, didn't I? What? Go to dashboard. Why is this showing my old? I'm confused. Okay. Let's commit this and just say feature clean up the teams page, show subscription info from remote auth. Okay, that's better. Then we'll do pull. We'll do a merge with origin master. Push that. All right, rerun this. Let's see where we're at. Did I not comment that out? Yeah, okay. Whew. Oops. All right, there we go. So in remote auth, I need to check if their subscription is expired, and if it is, cancel them. And then set up the webhooks. Oh, there's a bug there. Teams, team 2, application memberships. So it should just be memberships. And then memberships released. And then subscription, it goes released. It needs to go memberships released. Oh, okay. Fix breadcrumbs with team memberships pages. All right, cool. And then the last thing I'm going to do is fix, remove testing array. Do this, push that up. That should be it for that one. And then it's like, oh my gosh, look at all this. This is cancel. It's supposed to be canceling ones that maybe I don't have that set up properly. Yeah, it's supposed to be canceling redundant pipelines. The other thing I'm wondering is, do I have... Oh, I'm using this still. Gotta update this. All right. Well, I mean, I'm pretty happy with today's progress. Pretty sure that's gonna merge or pass anyway, so I'm just gonna merge it. Clean up the Teams page. Closes 58. Plus add subscription info. Just gonna merge that right away. This pipeline can hold up for a second. And then what do I use for deployment here? Forge, okay. So come into repositories, released, create a new release. 0.10.0. What? Oh, I clicked squash on those, didn't I? Shit. Yeah, well. It's supposed to be 0.10.0. And on it we have fixes, and then features was list repositories on the dashboard. Add clean up teams page and show subscription information per team. Okay. All right, Austin. Appreciate you hanging out. If you can still hear me, I'm gonna call it a night. Got quite a bit done in an hour, which is pretty good. Pretty happy with. There's only a couple things left to do. I think they're mostly in remote auth now at this point too. Maybe I'll launch it before the weekend. Oh, actually, that's what I should do is check my Stripe subscription. I used to stream a lot, but I don't know. It's kind of backed off. Released. Okay, so I have billing, products, premium with 50 and $5 a month. Actually, if you're still here, I have a question for you. Oh, it might not make sense if you don't know what released is, but if you do know what it is, how much do you think I should charge? Not all of these features are here. Like, I don't have notifications yet. But it does automatic release notes, integrated with GitHub and GitLab, automatic version numbering. It'll ping a webhook on release. I'm only going to have one plan to start. So it's going to be free, which gets you the ability to add one repository. So like right now I have 8. So you could add one for free and you'll get all the features, at least to start with. And then to pay, you can add unlimited repositories. That was my thought. I'm not sure if that's the best idea though. Because like these are all the other features I'm going to add. Like the ability to auto-publish, to pull version either from commits or pull request bodies, to pull release notes from commits or pull request bodies, the ability to release an alpha or beta release, custom domains if you use a self-hosted GitLab. Like that would be premium only. This one I don't care really about anymore. Can I delete these or whatever? Put it at the bottom. What else? Oh yeah, ability to ignore certain patterns in a release note. This one I don't care much about either right now. And receive an update when a deployment is successful. That would probably be premium too. And that would be like if your deployment service can send webhooks, you could ping back to released, and then I'll put it in like in here, like deployment status, and it'll be like confirmed or deployed or something. So yeah, right now I'm thinking one plan. Ooh, you think that much? Shit. Well, that's good. Okay. I was gonna do $5 a month. Maybe I'll do 10 and then on launch I'll do like a 50% discount to get more people in. Although the thing about getting people in is that they can see the entire product for free just on one repository. So, and then like you can customize everything too, right? So if like you don't want to use the normal semantic versioning commits, you can put your own in here. Oh, it'll also update a version file for you. Custom headings and text on release notes. And then call webhooks. Yeah, okay, I could do 10. I think I'd have to change my Stripe thing again though. 10 or $100 a year. And then yeah, on launch, I could do a coupon. Or I guess a different pricing plan. Can I change the name of these ones? Monthly launch special. And then go back, change the name of this one to be Launch Special. Go back again, add another one, monthly, and US, no, $5 a month per team. Yearly. US dollars at 100. Oh no, it's supposed to be $10. Fuck. Shh, I'll fix that. This one goes away. Monthly US $10 a month per team. Boom. Then if I go into released, did that pipeline pass already? Okay. Publish that sucker. And then, oh no, I should be able to go into remote auth. I don't know if you've seen this product too, but this is my more exciting product. It is not launched yet either. There we go. I need to like order these somehow. Stripe just does it based on creation. Premium allows you to add as many unlimited number. Repositories to your team's account. All it includes, well, this is the best for now. I gotta fill out more of that stuff later. Yeah, this one I think I'll have a harder time selling to people, but if they don't want to buy it, I don't really care. I made it for myself to make things like making released a lot easier. So that's fine by me. All right, this deployed, all good. But I think that pricing model is good enough for now. And then if I think of more premium features to add instead of just like more repos, that's just more bang for the buck. I think this will be premium. This will probably be premium too. Alpha, beta, probably premium as well. You wouldn't do that on a... both of these probably would be too. Oh, I still need to do that one. All right, I'm gonna call it quits there. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. I'll see you around in Maker's Kitchen. Talk to you later.